Hi children, today I'll be teaching you two types of scales, that is a scale without key signature. Let's see how we can answer this question. Write the scale of D major ascending in quavers without key signature, mark semitones with slurs. Given clef is the F clef, that is the bass clef. When you get a question like this, please write the relevant key signatures that is required for the given key. D major has two sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp. Write it above the key like that so that when you are doing the question, it's easy for you to refer. Without key signature means you don't write the key signature, either the sharp or the flat, next to the clef. Instead, you write the sharp or the flat next to the note, in front of the note. That's what we are going to do here. It clearly says you without key signature. It's an ascending scale. You know ascending scale, we start at a lower position and go towards a higher position. So let's see where is our D at a lower position, because we need to go upwards. Okay, so I am starting on the D on the third line, right? That's easy for me to ascend up. Starting from here, remember we have to use quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how you get your 8 quavers, that is an octave of the D major scale. Okay, you know children, notes that are above the third line, stem will come down from the right side, DL, down from the right side. And always the quaver's tail will always face the right side, towards the right side. If the stem goes up also, the tail is facing the right side. If the stem comes down also, the tail is facing the right side. Okay. So here we are starting on the third line. Third line, you have an option. Either the stem can go up or the stem can come down. Here it's nice when everything is towards one side. So I started with the stem down for all the notes, because only third line you have the option either to go up or to come down. All the other notes above the third line, stem must come down. You have F sharp and C sharp for D major scale. You can put it right before the F note and the C note. Where is the F note for bass clef? F note for bass clef is on the fourth line, G, B, D, F. So you put the sharp over here like this. Okay, F is on a line, sharp also must be on a line. C sharp, where is C sharp? C sharp is here. You know if bass clef has middle C above the stem. So you can put your C sharp over here. So you will just put the sharp over there. Don't write a line in the middle of the sharp. Just because this is a line note, it doesn't mean the sharp above the stave must have a line crossing it. Sharps or flats above the stave will be as normal as it is. Okay, so we indicated the F sharp. So this is the F note. So in front of the F note we have to put. This is the C note. So in front of the C note we have to put, because D major has F sharp, C sharp. Next we put the slurs. They have told you mark semitones with slurs. For any major scale, the slurs are occurring on the 3rd and 4th and 7th and 8th degrees of the scale. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the way you do a scale without key signature. Next, let's take a look at another question. Write the G major scale in crotchets, descending without key signature, mark semitones with slurs, use the treble clef. Right. Draw the proper treble clef. Thereafter, G major scale. G major has only one sharp, that is F sharp. Descending scale in crotchets. So you know descending means you have to start at a higher position and come down to a lower position. Therefore, I am starting my G scale on the note right above the stave. And I start from the 8th degree. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My starting note is also G, my ending note is also G. Alright. Next, G major has F sharp. F is there on the 5th line for treble clef, so you put it. F is on the 5th line, your sharp is also on the 5th line. Next, the slurs. Any descending scale, slurs will also be on the 3rd, 4th and the 7th and 8th degrees. But the descending scale starts itself on the 8th degree and comes to the 1st. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how your slurs occur. I hope you understood how to do a descending scale without key signature.